Hello, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Hey, what's your name?
Here?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Oh, just say my name.
Say mine.
No, you need to say my name.
No, just say my name because I don't know what I'm getting into.
No, you actually do because you have the license plate in your app. So
I don't trust the app though, but just say my name.
No, you say my name because I need to make sure I have the correct
Just say my name, please.
Can you say my name?
Just say my name.
Are you okay?
I'm great. All right. Dylan, great, perfect. I see it's there. Could have just said that.
Okay. Okay, well, can you put your seatbelt on, please?
No, I actually don't do that, and I have rights, and I'm able to make my own decisions, so thanks for the offer.
Well, it's illegal, so you need to put it on.
Yeah, but if anything, I'd rather go through the windshield
Your
than
door's
follow
not even
the
open,
law.
so can you close the door too?
No. I like
you can
having
literally
the
fall
air.
out and you're not even wearing your seatbelt.
Yeah, but I like having air, and I don't want to have to follow the law. Just because some guy in a suit decides I have to do something. You don't tell me what to do. I have a body and I have a right.
Are you okay? Are you like this with everyone?
I don't agree with what you're saying right now.
You're gonna rate me 5 stars, right? Because my job is on the line.
Well, I'm gonna rate you how I actually feel, and I don't feel that you should be telling me what to do in any capacity because that's aggressive behavior.
Well, I got 3 kids at home, and
cool, good for you. Yeah.
I got to make sure we got food on the table.
You know,
so if I get another 1 star, they're gonna fire me.
I understand, like, you're a hetero male, and you think that because you have a child, you have a leg over me. But I'm telling you now.
A leg over you?
Oh my god, a lemon tree.
Okay.